Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Amazon app not working. So now without any further delay, let's begin with the process. So first of all, you have to make sure if your Amazon app is updated to its latest version. So in order to check that, launch Google Play Store or App Store according to your mobile device. So in my case, I'm just going to launch Google Play Store here. Now, once you are here, simply go to the search bar and search for Amazon. Here we go. Now tap open the application. Now, once you are here, if you see the option of update, tap on it and make sure that your application is updated to its latest version. If your app is not updated, you may face certain problems regarding the application. So make sure you tap on update if you see the option. Now, let's jump to another step in order to fix this problem. Simply open settings on your mobile device. Now, once you are here, scroll down below and tap on the option of apps. Now, simply tap on Amazon application. Now, once you are here, simply scroll down below and tap on the option of storage. Now, once you are here, at the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll see the option of clear cache. So if you tap on that option, you'll be able to clear cache from the application. Now, let me explain you the last step in order to fix your problem. So make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is not stable, you can always turn on your mobile data. If your Wi-Fi connection or your mobile data is not stable, you may face problems regarding the application. So make sure that you have a stable connection. So follow these steps and you'll be able to fix your issue. And this is it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.